So, what is biology? Biology is the science of living things. Biology combines the two basic sciences of chemistry and physics. Chemistry is the science of what matter is and how it reacts with other matter. It's the science of atoms, molecules, and compounds. Physics is the science of energy. It deals with how energy affects matter. So, biology studies the science of how matter and energy work together to form organisms. And so, anyone who is systematically posing questions about living things is practicing biology. They work to understand how living things work and interact with the rest of the world. Living and non living things are made of atoms, bringing in the chemistry side, and all living things will need energy, bringing in the science of physics. Anytime science deals with living things, it is an example of biology. Sometimes that happens in the lab, but many biologists work in the field. So, what do biologists do? One of the big things that biologists do is look at all the different kinds of life on our planet, both microscopic and visible. All of these organisms have to accomplish the same things, but each does it in a slightly different way. This is what we call the diversity of life. Diversity is important, and many biologists also work to conserve what we call biodiversity. Another important job biologists study is both health and wellness. Biologists in this field look for causes, cures, and treatments of all kinds of illnesses. These would include infectious diseases like COVID, other disorders like cancer or genetic disorders. Not only do they look for causes and cures, but they also try to learn how they are spread and how they can be prevented. A big job that biologists have done over the years is to improve agriculture. This has allowed us to increase the crops and food we grow using the amount of available land we have. Had it not been for these improved yields, we would not be able to feed all the people in the world. They continue to work to find new ways to grow crops that are resistant to conditions and pests. Biologists are also very important at protecting and preserving the environment. They work to keep wild spaces, work to allow access to wild spaces without damaging it. Some work as wardens, wildlife biologists, and others that save animals, plants, and the environment. So, that is a good introduction to what biology is. Next time, we'll look at what it means to be alive.